What if we could prevent Alzheimer's disease, or treat addiction better, or help an injured athlete return close to his or her full form? Well, we can. At birth, the human brain has approximately 100 billion neurons and 2,500 synapses per neuron. Signals travel through neurons and across small gaps called synapses using neurotransmitters. But what happens when this pathway is damaged? Well, that's where neuroplasticity comes in. Neuroplasticity is the development, trimming, and reorganization of neural pathways that enable the brain to adapt and change based on our environment and experiences. Neurons that are used frequently release more glutamate at their synapses and develop greater and stronger connections, a phenomenon known as synaptic sprouting. When we learn something new, our brain forms connections between neurons and strengthens the synapses involved in performing that particular task. What about neurons that are rarely or not at all used? Well, their connections are weakened and sometimes eliminated, a process known as synaptic pruning. This can help the brain to be more efficient and contribute to resilience as we age. There are two types of neuroplasticity, structural and functional. Structural plasticity is the brain's ability to change its physical structure by adding new neural pathways. Think of it like a light bulb in a circuit with a bad wire. In order for the light bulb to turn on, a new pathway must be added. Functional plasticity is where brain functions are moved from a damaged part of the brain to another undamaged area. For example, if we move the light bulb to a different part of the circuit and have working wires in that part of the circuit transmit the signal to the light bulb. Neuroplasticity can help you recover from a stroke, traumatic brain injury, and even emotional trauma. With therapy, the brain can relearn how to send signals using different pathways. Recent research shows promise for the treatment of autism and Alzheimer's disease, all because of neuroplasticity. That's a wrap. Neuroplasticity, the ability of the brain to change and adapt in a constantly changing environment.